Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent different computer users from changing the language settings on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Group Policy. Best match should come back with Edit Group Policy. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go underneath user configuration. So let me just make this window a little bit wider here. And under user configuration, double click on the administrative templates folder. Do the same thing for the control panel folder as well. And then finally, there should be a regional and language options folder. Just left click on that one time. And on the right panel, you want to look for something that says restrict selection of Windows menus and dialog language. Go ahead and double click on that. Go ahead and set this to enabled if you want to restrict users from modifying these items, and select apply and OK. If you want to undo that, you can always just double click on it and set not configured, but like I said, if we're trying to prevent other users from changing these settings, select enabled, and underneath restrict users to the following language, you can click inside this drop down here and select which language you're restricting them to. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out. Restart your computer for the change to take effect, and that should be it. So thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.